tell you about first, a new osprey on Urdaibai. Second, a history about one of your osprey and osprey from Corsica. And third, the latest news about your ospreys coming back from Africa.
We are excited because surprisingly an osprey has been in Urdaibai since the 14th of November. This is the first time an osprey has spent the winter here.
She hasn't got a ring, so we don't know where she's from. She's a female, age 2. She will be ready to breed in 1 or 2 years. She seems to feel comfortable around us.
Our new female friend knows Urdaibai very well now. We will be in her diary for years to come.
There is a similar story about N4 and a female osprey from Corsica.
N4 is one of the ospreys released in Urdaibai. This is N4. These are N4's little chicks.
This is P1 flying. He came back the 14th of March of this year, the last week.
Thank you for joining us in this Skype connection. See you soon again.
Can we just tell you that you can see our new osprey on the webcam? Yeah?
The legendary, now.
Yeah. It's here. Can you see? Yeah, can you see it now? Excellent. That's the one that's just arrived. So it's fantastic news for everybody. So we should all cheer. Yeah, woohoo! Woo! Great news, everybody! Really good news! Hip hip hooray! It was so nice to speak to you. Yeah. See you soon.